Welcome back to the Base Science. We have a new animal today. One of Base Science missions. See what the hell is going on with the raw chicken. Why do everybody fear raw chicken? Everybody likes salmon Nutella this, salmon Nutella that. Your tummy gonna be boiling, you're gonna die soon. But these thighs, they're thick and tasty, just like I like them. I didn't get no salmon Nutella yesterday from these. What about today? It's freaking 185 days or whatever. Maybe today is the salmon Nutella day. But we got a new animal. Base science. We're doing all kinds of science. Not only raw chicken science. We wanna taste every single animal that God gave to human beings on this earth. And we got a new one. Holy shit, look at that. Does that look good or what? Can you guess what it is? Last time we had a moose. This time a similar animal. And I have had this cooked but never raw. Base science all about that raw experience. It's almost as big as mine. Not that one. It's almost as big as my face. It smells good. This is actually frozen meat, and I don't usually eat frozen meat because frozen meat destroys the bacteria. At least it changed them. Also frozen meat not as tasty. Now if you do all these man-made recipes, then you can mask the taste of the meat, but if you have the raw experience, you wanna taste the meat how it's supposed to be tasted, but sometimes it ain't happening. So it's frozen. It was frozen 1 year, whatever. Maybe it's still good, maybe not. But I don't usually eat frozen meat. It doesn't taste as good as fresh or fresh. We don't really get that fresh meat pretty much ever. You have to hunt for that for yourself or really know your farmers. This chicken died tasty. There's some tendons though. But we are eating them. Maybe the salmon Nutella in the tendons. Well, let's taste this one. This one is deer. Shot by one of my family friends. So it had a good life in the nature. It was still a wild animal. Not like us. You and me. We those domesticated slaves. So let's see what a wild animal tastes like. Maybe I do get a little bit more wild eating this, even though I don't know if I want to. So it's a deer. Last time was a moose. Deer? Wow. Honestly, it's even frozen. Wow. I'm getting a little goosebumps. Woo! This one. Base science. We're gonna go hunt for deer next year, guys. You wanna see a deer hunt video? And then I eat the fresh deer. Drink the blood and all. Take the liver out. Eat it full of glycogen. Taste some of the muscle meat. Holy shit, the deer so much better than the moose. Maybe the moose was shitty. This is like a 9.5 out of 10 animal. This is so good. I don't even want to touch you, raw chicken, anymore. No, don't get mad, raw chicken. I love raw chicken. Sometimes you want that white stuff, sometimes you want that red stuff. You see, the deer already made me wild. I'm a turn into wild boy. Eating these chickens a little bit more domesticated. They're living in that order. They have that discipline. So the more wild animals you eat, the more wild you're gonna get, the more likely you're gonna be able to escape the matrix. That's my theory right now. That's the next step of base science. How to escape the matrix? Is it eating wild animals raw? Because if you cook them, you lose some of that essence of the wild animal. Yesterday I was watching this Max the Meat guy, pretty popular guy. He was eating all this raw. No, not raw. No, that guy is a pussy. Although it's a good channel, but those guys are. They have a little bitch that's going on. They should get me on the channel because they were eating all kinds of rare animals that I would like to eat. And he was cooking them mostly medium rare or well done. But everybody was making fun of them in the comments that he was cooking them medium rare, that it can be dangerous to cook ostrich medium rare. And I was laughing. It would be so fun. I would be in the channel and I would taste them raw. In this lighting you can kind of still see my tan that I got in the summer. But yeah, people were freaking out. Medium rare. How can you? Then clearly not being introduced to base science yet. They were tasting like all kinds of animals. I would love to taste those raw. And they were freaking out eating some medium rare turtle or whatever. Probably the most exotic animal they ate was lynx. We have some lynx here in Finland. Never seen one in the nature though, but they are cool. They're like the coolest looking cats. Extremely beautiful animal, but they didn't like the taste of medium rare lynx. Or was it the bobcat? They're kind of similar. Same, but different. The skin is hard, dude. But I like these thighs. One more bite of the deer. The deer, so freaking good. Honestly, very good deer. Very, very good deer. Wow. How would I describe it? It's similar to beef, but more pure in its heart and essence and its taste. That's kinda how I would describe it. More pure beef. Extremely good. 9.5 out of 10. Deer, highly recommend. Even if it's frozen for 1 year, doesn't matter. But let's see if I get a food poisoning from that. Tomorrow I will give my final opinion. Thank you, dear. One more bite. It's so good. Thank you for as well, raw chicken. You were decent. No, you were amazing. As every single day. See you later, guys.